Chris Jackman, attorney, discusses building a community-focused law practice. In an era where the legal profession is often criticized for its focus on profit over people, building a community-focused law practice stands out as a beacon of hope and a model for genuine service. At the heart of such practices is the belief that the law can be a powerful tool for positive change, not just a mechanism for resolving disputes. The foundation of a community-focused law practice is a clear, mission-driven approach. This means defining your practice not just by the legal services you offer, but by the impact you aim to achieve within your community. For Chris Jackman, this has meant dedicating his firm to championing the rights of those wronged by negligence or abuse, with a keen focus on making legal assistance accessible to those in need. Understanding the specific needs and challenges of your community is crucial. This involves more than just demographic research. It requires active engagement and listening. This not only helps to identify the legal needs of your community, but also builds trust and establishes your practice as a committed ally. Once you understand your community's needs, tailor your legal services to meet those needs. This might mean offering sliding scale fees, providing services in languages other than English, or specializing in areas of law that are particularly relevant to your community. Look for opportunities to collaborate with nonprofits, educational institutions, and other groups working towards similar goals. These partnerships can lead to joint initiatives, such as legal education programs or advocacy campaigns that further serve the community's needs. Committing to pro bono work is a hallmark of a community-focused law practice. Offering your legal expertise for free or at a reduced cost to those who cannot afford it is a direct way to make legal services accessible and foster a more just community. By providing legal education to your community, you demystify the legal process and equip individuals with the knowledge to protect their rights. This can take many forms, from workshops on tenant rights to seminars on workplace discrimination. While individual cases can provide immediate relief and justice, advocating for systemic change can address the root causes of widespread legal challenges. This means using your legal expertise to push for policy changes, reform laws, or challenge unjust practices that disproportionately affect your community. Redefining success is essential for a community-focused law practice. While financial stability is necessary for any business, measuring success should also include the impact you've had on individuals' lives and the broader community. Building a community-focused law practice is a challenging but immensely rewarding endeavor. By prioritizing mission over margin, engaging deeply with community needs, and advocating for systemic change, legal practices can truly be forces for good, championing justice and equity for all.